Christmas, Jesus is born. This is Mary. You see, Mary was the mother of Jesus, but before that happened, she lived in the town of Nazareth. And she was engaged to marry a man named Joseph. Mary got pregnant by the power of God. Joseph didn't understand all this at first, but an angel came and told him to still take Mary as his wife. So he did as the angel said. Not long after that, the ruler of the land, Caesar Augustus, wanted to count how many people were in the land.
Yung mga, sinong gusto magkwento dito sa harap? Yung story. Kung paano kaya nga si Jesus, kasi nakinig daw sila. Sino kahit short summarization lang, para alam ko talaga kung nakinig kayo. Sino?